Hello and welcome to KahindoTech. In this video, I'll show you how to follow someone using their Instagram name tag. So let's begin. First, open up your Instagram app. Once you have it open, it should take you to your home page, and you can tell that by looking at the bottom right hand corner. You see the home icon is highlighted in black. That means you're on your home page. Once you're here, look on the bottom right hand corner. You should see your profile picture here or a placeholder with the profile picture icon on it. So click on whatever is to the right of the heart sign, and that will take you to your profile page. Once you're on your profile page, look on the upper right hand corner. You should see these three bars up here. You want to tap on those. Okay, this side menu should appear. Once this side menu appears, look on this icon over here where it says name tag. Click on that. And this is showing you your name tag, okay? You actually want to scan someone else's name tag. To do that, and by the way, I just showed you how to get your name tag, and this is what you can share with other people and have them use to follow you. But in this video, I'm showing you how to actually follow someone else using their name tag. So just have them open their Instagram name tag like we did right here. So what they would do is they'll go to the home page like we are here right now. They'll look on the upper right hand corner like we did, those three bars, click on those, and then open their name tag over here. Click on the name tag. That opens the name tag. So once they have it open, and you do the same thing and get to this point, and if you look on the bottom, over here, do you see where it says scan a name tag? Click on that, and that will allow you to scan someone else's name tag. So have them pull up their name tag like that, and then just go ahead and scan their name tag, and there you go. That just scanned it inside their profile, and that way I can just click on where it says follow, and if I view their profile, as you can see right there, I am already following them on Instagram. So that's how you can follow someone on Instagram using their name tag. If you have any other questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and definitely subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.